Ford underestimated how popular its flagship Ranger Wildtrak dual-cab ute would be when it was first released in 2012. It predicted only a fraction of cashed-up tradies would pay a hefty premium for an adventure-focused hay hauler, but it ended up becoming the most sought-after model in the lineup and completely transformed the notion of a modern Australian family car. The blue oval didn't make the same mistake twice with the new generation Ranger that was released last year, and has now extended the Wildtrak treatment across to the related Everest wagon for the first time, adding a third V6-powered 4x4 model to the lineup that Ford says is the peak off-road variant. Ford increased the price tag for the Everest Wildtrak before it even went on sale. While it was originally expected to cost $73,090 plus on-road costs when it was first announced last May, it now costs from $74,404. It adds a third V6-powered variant to the 7-seater lineup, slotting in between the Everest Sport V6 4x4 from $72,490 plus AUX, and the flagship, luxury-focused Everest Platinum V6 4x4 from $79,490 plus AUX. They all sit on top of more affordable 4-cylinder-powered Everest models in Ambiente, Trend and Sport trim levels that can be had with the choice of either rear-drive or 4x4 transmissions. This is the first time the Wildtrak treatment has been applied to the Everest, and Ford is testing the water by introducing it as a special edition model that will be limited to just 800 units, with the production run due to be completed at its Thailand plant early this year. Ford has already indicated another batch of Everest Wildtrak will be coming, which is good news as this run has already been a sellout success.